you look at any top athlete, you look at any top musician, you look at any top person, right? Musk. Let's take Usain Bolt, right? वो जब दौड़ना शुरू किया था, it was not because he wanted to, like he was waiting for the right shoes to come, the right equipments to be there, and then he would start running, and outcome is already guaranteed कि वो Olympic medal होने वाला है ना. It's not that. He started because he was enjoying doing it, and he did it so well. He pursued it so much that he ended up getting those Olympic medals, right, for him, for the country.
That is how
he did it for the joy of it.
ऐसा
नहीं कि वो स्टार्ट करते ही उसको पहले से पता था ओलंपिक मेडल में मैं जाने वाला हूँ, है ना. तो राइट नाउ दैट इज द माइंडसेट आई थिंक विद मोस्ट पीपल इज लाइक दे वांट टू ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर आउटकम. दे वांट टू ऑप्टिमाइज कि यार मेरे को अगर मैं कर रहा हूँ ना, मेरे को ये फायदा होना ही चाहिए.
ट्रेनिंग तो वही मिलता है ना कि ट्रेनिंग तो एजुकेशन सिस्टम वही देता है ना.
राइट
आउटकम बेस्ड, लाइक ये करो, ये डिग्री लो,
रोड लर्निंग.
हाँ, तुमको जगह ये क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कोचिंग सेंटर में एडमिशन लेना है,
राइट,
तुमको इतना पढ़ना है, इतना घंटे, क्रैक हो जाएगा.
इवन विद AI, राइट, certain AIs that are trained on, let's say, competitive coding, or let's say only design, they'll competitive coding, for example, right? Let's take that example only. They'll be much better at competitive coding versus, let's say, if for design I would want to use that particular platform, right? It would not perform the same way, let's say, for something like much more generally जो use कर रहे हैं हम लोग, ChatGPT versus, let's say, Cursor, right? Cursor would not perform the same way for design versus, let's say, ChatGPT would do. I would assume that is the assumption I would make, right?
Yeah.
And with the same thing, right? The kids that are doing right now today, they do rote learning because they want to optimize for a certain outcome, but लाइफ में तो वो काम ही नहीं हो रहा ना. इनफैक्ट राइट नाउ जैसे हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, डिजाइनर्स,
इनफैक्ट वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग नो, सो आउटकम ही क्या है
वही. तो यू नीड टू लर्न डिजाइन एज वेल. और डिजाइन तुम इसलिए नहीं सीख रहे हो बिकॉज मैं डिजाइन सीख के करूंगा क्या, मेरे कोडिंग में क्या काम आ रहा है वो. आई थिंक दैट इज द रोड ब्लॉक दैट दे आर फेसिंग. नो, कहाँ पे काम आ रहा है.
नो बट I resonate with a quote from Steve Jobs, जो जिसका मेरे पास फोटो है वहाँ पे. इनफैक्ट आई कैन गो एंड ब्रिंग इट फ्रॉम माय रूम. जो मैं बाय किया था, इज दैट द ओनली वे टू डू ग्रेट थिंग्स इज दैट you genuinely love what you do. That is the only way to do great things, and I'm loving it. Like personally, there's a part of me who is loving the way the economy or the world is headed towards, is because I always had a problem with the education system. I always had a problem with this degree based thing, because I don't think that my ability to, let's say, do something should be determined on my ability to remember something. Why should I remember anything at all?